Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. Guys, it's day 2, your sync pair roster has been reset for the day, all sync pair HP and MP have been refreshed. So I'm just curious, we don't have an HP recovery item yet, and now they want us to pick new characters. We can pick new characters. We will do that, guys. We will do that. I will pick better characters this time. This time, it's time for... Actually, Drain Punch might be very, very useful right now. Haven't exactly tried Drain Punch. I haven't tried Drain Punch, guys. But it recovers your HP, and I'm curious as to what will happen if you actually have Drain Punch. So with that in mind, what if we do a sync grid? No, I don't think we can do that. I'm not sure, guys. I'm not sure. But he's not our strongest character. We have a stronger fighter type, which is probably ourselves. But this one recovers. So, why not? We'll bring a steel type, which is Steven. Steven, where are you? Steven.
You have my strength.
And dark type. Karen. I think I'll use Karen most of the time to decrease everyone's stats.
I'll be coming along with you.
And with that said, I hope this is not a stupid decision. I hope this is not stupid. I hope so. I kind of decreased some of his HP from the past battle. I'm not sure if it will carry over. The thing says it will.
Keep it up. Leave it to me.
Let's just entertain me. Much better, much safer, guys.
Now's my chance. Go. Strut your stuff.
Let's just use snarl.
Strut your stuff.
Just decreasing the special attack. And you know,
Strut your stuff.
okay, this X evasion is irritating.
I'll show you what the power of shorts can do. Leave it to me. Keep it up.
Oh my gosh, that is irritating. Oh frick, that is powerful. That is powerful as heck.
Your strength.
Oh frick!
Keep it up.
What the heck? No! No, that's not happening. That's not happening right now.
Quick.
No! What the heck? Just killed Steven immediately. Oh frick, I don't like this at all.
Do your best.
Frick! What the heck? I hate this. What the heck? What the heck, guys? What the heck? That X evasion is not good. Okay, I just wasted my entire team, like right there. That is hateful. That is stupid. That is hateful. That is irritating. I have no comment. We use strong Pokemon. I'm gonna ask help from one of my characters. Sorry guys. So much commotion happening in here. Commotion happening. I have no idea who I'm gonna use now. Better choose very wisely. Choose very wisely.
I like how you think.
This is not... probably not a super smart decision.
Come at me.
Oh, you know, red has no miss whatsoever thing. Bright as the sun. Let's just all the presents. Let's just pour our everything into this battle.
Now's my chance.
My turn.
Pour our everything into this battle.
I got this.
Teach them a lesson.
Leave it to me.
Teach them a lesson.
Do your best.
Teach them a lesson.
Leave it to me.
Pouring my all into this battle.
You trained so hard. Hello, my Pokemon.
Show who's boss.
I got this.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Teach them a lesson.
Now's my chance.
Put your back into it.
Pour our all into this battle.
You got this.
Here we go.
My ace Pokemon. Ha!
Okay. Sawyer's time.
Go.
Oh boy.
You got this.
Do your best.
Oh frick. So much HP, guys.
Teach them a lesson. Keep up the
Oh no, oh no. Oh no, I made a mistake. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. Recover. Oh boy, I hope Nolan survives. Shucks. So risky. Oh no, Giga Impact. Not good.
Knowledge is power.
I hope you survive.
Go.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Another Giga Impact. Oh boy.
Knowledge is power.
I don't know if you'll survive that. Oh no, you didn't. Sawyer is tough, guys. Sawyer is tough.
Hasta la vista. Hasta la vista.
Oh no, move gauge boost. Oh no. Another Giga Impact.
Keep up the pressure.
Oh frick. Why did he use a sync move immediately? Damn, I'm dead. I'm dead. Damn it.
No!
Damn it. Ugh. Frustrating. But he's dead the next turn, so... Guys, 6 sync pairs out of 9 killed. Like, why? What the heck? What the heck? So sad, guys. Okay. Time to bring out our big guys. I could bring Lance, but he might be too slow. So I'll just bring... I could also bring Cynthia. But where the heck is Giovanni? Giovanni, where the heck are you? Or is Giovanni dead? No, he's not yet dead,
I'll
right?
show you true power.
This should end the battle. Oh boy.
At me.
This is so frick. Blast burn. He's still alive. What the heck?
Hasta la vista. Now,
He's still alive.
keep up the pressure.
Please be confused. Oh, come on. Oh, come on.
Go.
Why are you still alive?
Pressure.
Get hit. Oh, come on.
Now.
Why are you still alive? What the heck?
Now. That's it.
Wow, he's so tough. He's dead. He is dead. Ugh. I hate this. Our HP went down quite a lot.
Impressive.
Damn. I don't like this. Whoa, we got a lucky scroll, guys. We got 2. We need 5 for red. And I think the bonuses. Vitality treats give us restore 40% of all allied Singpier's HP. Vigor treats give us reduces special damage done to allied field of play. Or extra rewards are random. Can we actually get some lucky scrolls? Can we? Can we? Can we? No, we can't. But Elite Four notes, 4 of them we got. Challenge in the Villa Part 7. Or this is hall number 11. Oh boy. Oh boy, guys.
Let's get him!
Heat wave.
I got this! Go! Go! That's it!
Oh, he has to get poisoned. What the heck? Professor Oak is basically dead.
Watch and learn!
And basically we're dead. Let's just try and go as far as we can.
You're finished! I got this! You're finished! Go! Do it!
Damn.
No way! Now! Go!
Damn! Oh shit! We're dead, guys.
Do it! Do it! Put your back into it!
We're dead.
Do it! Put your back into it!
Please get hit. We're dead. We are dead. That's it for this video, guys. This is stupid. This is sad. We only managed to get through one hall. Ugh. Ugh. And ugh. Well, guys, I'll see you tomorrow with halls 11 and up. This is so sad. This is so sad. Rawr.